In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Google Classroom name with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're a teacher wanting to update your class information or simply wish to keep things fresh and organized, adjusting your Google Classroom name can be quite handy. Let's get started with the steps you'll need to take to make this change smoothly and efficiently. Firstly, you'll want to access the classes that you intend to rename. It's important to be logged into your Google account so you can access your Google Classroom dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to classroom.google.com. From there, you'll see a list of all your classes. Choose the particular class whose name you want to change by clicking on it. This will take you to the class's main page where you'll have access to all the functionalities you need. Once you've entered the class, the next step is to head over to the class settings. To do this, look at the upper right corner of the page for a gear icon. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on the gear icon as it will take you to all the available settings for that class. This is your central hub for making adjustments, be it assignments, class details, or in our case, the class name. With the settings menu now open, you'll find yourself in a new section dedicated to organizing all the specifics of your class. Here, you can change a variety of details, but our focus today is on the class name. Locate the field marked Class Name. It should be one of the first fields you see. Click on this field to activate it. This allows you to delete or edit the current name. Go ahead and type in your new class name. This step is crucial as it represents how students and other users identify your class. It can reflect the subject you're teaching, the semester, or even something simple like a grade level. After typing in the new name for your class, remember to save these changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right or bottom of the settings page. Click this button to ensure all your updates are applied. If you close the window without saving, your changes will not take effect. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the name of your Google Classroom. Keep in mind that it may take a little time for this update to sync across all devices. Being able to update your class name offers both flexibility and a chance to maintain clarity as your courses evolve over time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you make your Google Classroom experience just a bit smoother. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you in the